So we have a guest today. Hi. Hello. I'm just kidding. I don't want this to happen.
I really want to be here.
You're so weird.
So my plan with this pie is that I'm first going to start with the crust as usual, and that is just 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 a cup of lard, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. And then you'll roll them out with a rolling pin into a circle large enough that the pie pan can fit. And then you will flip it into the pie pan and form it so that it's on there. And once you have the pie crust done, then you can move to the filling. And like I always do, this is when I preheat the oven, and the oatmeal pie calls for it to be preheated to 350 degrees. Then you're going to mix together a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 a teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. And I believe those are all the dry ingredients that you mix together. And then after that, you're going to take 4 eggs and beat them together. And you're going to get a cup of corn syrup, light corn syrup. And then after that, you're going to get a teaspoon and a half of vanilla, and then 1/4 cup of melted butter. And you're going to take all of those liquid ingredients and put it in with the dry ingredients and mix them all together. And then once they're all properly mixed together, you are... Oh, I think also some of 2 tablespoons of flour. And then, but then you'll mix all those together in the blender. And then you're going to add 1.5 cups of oatmeal to it all and mix it. And then you're going to pour it into the pie crust that you have ready. And then you're going to cook it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Just kind of see how it looks. Around 45, maybe a little earlier. And you can always kind of shake the pie pan a little. And if it's like really wobbly, then you should leave it in the oven a little longer. But if it's only slightly wobbly, then it's probably good. You can take it out. But that is the oatmeal pie. And I'll post all the ingredients on my blog in case you actually want to make this pie, because I was kind of scatterbrained and I actually did that all from memory. So, yay. Alright, I'll see y'all later.
Ben says I'm a natural.